Hello and welcome to Peggy's Tropical Garden, coming to you from the Florida Keys with a Lowe's Garden Center shopping trip. It's been months since I've been shopping in a Lowe's Garden Center, so I'm pretty excited today to be going in to see what I've been missing out on. Out here in the parking lot, I see a fenced off area with lots and lots of plants, so I just wanted to pop in here and see what's going on. Uh, it looks like this area has a lot of common landscaping plants. So I guess this is an area that they separated and put out here for convenience, where they have a large stock of the common landscaping plants. Maybe it's easier for contractors too. I'm just making assumptions. I don't know what's going on out here. All I know is they have all these beautiful plants in one area, and you can just come through and grab what you're looking for. Nice palms. I mean, everything you want for landscaping. I've never seen this before outside in the parking lot, which is pretty cool. So just checking everything out to make sure we're not missing out on anything. And they have some quarter lines here. Yeah, these are all regular prices, so it's not a sale area or anything like that. So let's head on into the garden center. Okay, and of course the first thing I'm looking at, bromeliads. Pop of color, gotta love it. I'm gonna be doing a video on bromeliads soon. So since I've been pushing them so hard, I feel like I should do that. And I have this one, I love it. And these are $14. And let's see, is this a Costa Farms trending Yep, trending tropicals display. Here they have new plants, and they don't have them here. And I'm already killing some fiddly figs, so I won't be buying another one of those. Anyway, that's all they had on there. Kind of disappointed. Was hoping for a Birkin. I hear they're in that display now. Very nice variety of bromeliads. And then let's go on inside. We're inside just to see what they have for houseplants. You know how they have the little section inside. This little urban jungle display. I've never seen that before. We'll catch that more on when we come down the other side of the aisle. And here's some calatheas. This looks like, okay, and this is in a ceramic pot. Looks like it's ready for gift giving. 25 bucks, not bad at all. And here's a smaller one for $12. And you know what they sell for online. So don't count out your big box stores. If you're looking for calatheas and stuff, check out your big box stores before ordering them online, because I've been looking at these online and they go for quite a bit. And these are interesting. Some solid color, solid green aglaonema. And then we have the mini orchids over here, $7.98. I love these. And then the regular size phals as well. And the small house plants that are $3.48. Well, they seem to have a variety of prices depending on what they are, but just some pothos, some Dracaena. Yeah, not a lot here. So we definitely haven't been missing out in this section. Here's that urban jungle display. Some crotons, snake plants, Dracaena, not much. These bromeliads are nice. That's not a bad price for a ceramic pot and 3 nice size bromeliads. Okay, more bromeliads. Look at these little ponytail palms over here. Very cute. And not a bad price either. Very nice. And here's some smaller ones. And some Sago Palms for $8. These are really cute. And a ZZ plant. That is free. No, there's just no price tag. That, yeah, I can't find the price on this one. Croton back there. Some more crotons. $8. Not bad at all. So, Dracaena. And some African violets. These aren't looking the greatest, but yeah, they're really soggy in the bottom. They look a little overwatered. And over here we have some large ZZ plants. They look really good. And that crazy price, excellent. I mean, I remember when these were much more expensive. So if you waited, now's the time. Some Tradescantia up here, that's pretty. And here's a caladium. This one's really pretty. A lot in the pot. And for $4. I'm sitting this pot down, it keeps falling over. I think it's trying to go home with me. So, okay, you all are my witnesses. I did sit this plant back up, but beautiful plants. And here we go with some more snake plants and some ZZ plants that are looking good for $14. They're nice and healthy. Prices have definitely come down on those. Some Schefflera. We use these as outside shrubs, but I've seen them grown nicely in pots as well indoors. Lots of ferns always. They're huge. I was thinking about getting some of those for my porch, but we will see. Some nice looking rubber tree plants, $15. I think that's very reasonable. And let's see what else we can find in here. There's lots of carts. They're putting out a lot of merchandise, so it's kind of hard to maneuver. These smaller ferns, they have them 2 for $15. And Philodendron Hope, very nice, and a huge, very good size. And some more philodendron. And fiddly figs, that $15 is not for them, that's for the philodendrons. But I'm just doing the best I can to keep that one little fiddle alive, so I'm not ready to graduate to a big one. But $20, that's excellent price. And this is so nice, very nice size, peace lily. The leaves and everything, the foliage, everything so healthy and beautiful. $24, very reasonably priced. And some white bird of paradise over here. They're so readily available now, and the prices have definitely come down. That's a nice size plant for the price for sure. And I had to come over here. I thought this was jasmine, and it is. There's not even that many in bloom, but you can smell this all over the garden center. I mean, you see that. There's not even that many flowers, but the whole garden center smells great. More philodendrons over here, Prince of Orange. And then the Philodendron Moonlight. I'd been looking at these online as well and decided to wait until I could get into a garden center because you're paying a lot less here. And they have some small ones for $12. This plant is interesting. I don't think the grouping necessarily looks nice together, but you have a neon philodendron, monstera, and an aglaonema for $37. That's pretty good. And here's another grouping of plants. This would look a lot better if it probably needs some water or whatever, a little perky. But I love when you can get groupings of plants because it's so much cheaper. You can get them and split them up, and there's a bird of paradise and a flowering plant And I don't see the price on that one. Let's see. Some hostas over here. $5. Another caladium. This one's really pretty. I like that. Very nice. More aglaonemas. I keep saying next time I see this one with the pink in it that I'm going to get it. And I'm not getting it today either. I don't know why I want it, but I don't know. Maybe one day I will get one, but they're so beautiful. And this should look familiar if you saw my community post recently, this Brazilian snow. I am going to do a video on this as well because so many of you requested it. But these are beautiful plants and super easy. And that's about it for our shopping trip. Thank you for coming along. Take care.